High and mighty.
Oh, she's going to stop short of the sand, which is really good.
I put that there just for me.
Well,
I might fall for that one. I think I did.
I think you fell right in.
That was just set up for me.
Okay, here it is. Ugly, pretty, ugly, pretty. Well, you got mission accomplished. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice.
Nope, I hit it in another fucking sand trap.
Did you?
I think they got another fucking sand trap right there.
Well, go ahead and put one there for him. Ooh, smack daddy. You are on. On. Oh, it's fast as shit. It's fucking fast as hell.